Hey, Mr. Baker here. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we call case studies. In medicine, in the medical field, we teach you, the student, very often through a method called case studies. And what those are is a case study is a hypothetical patient that is either injured, meaning they fell off a ladder and have some serious trauma injuries, or for example, they have a medical issue, like maybe they are short of breath and you've got to figure out whether they're having an asthma attack, or maybe they have pneumonia or a blood clot in the lungs, something along those lines. And I give you information about the patient. You ask questions, and I'm going to teach you how to do this. You're going to interview the patient, which most of the time will be me, and you're going to turn into medical detectives. And after you're done asking questions, then you're going to learn how to do a limited physical exam. Like, for example, when you look at someone's eye color, whether they're bloodshot or pale, or maybe they're yellow, those all mean something. We're going to teach you about those. We're going to teach you about lung sounds and what do different lung sounds mean. Once we've done that, then what we're going to do is we're going to compile a list of potential diagnoses for your patient. And then I'm going to teach you what appropriate tests to run on your patient. Do you want to do a CAT scan, MRI, X-ray, blood test, those things? We're going to interpret the test results, and we're going to come down with one diagnosis for your patient. And then we'll come up with a treatment plan. So it's a very group-oriented and hands-on type of a thing. There's one of our patients right there, and there are some AED pads right there. And we'll learn about how to use an AED. I'm going to teach you how to use a heart monitor and how we can measure the patient's oxygen, carbon dioxide, blood pressure. We can look at the electrical patterns running through their hearts. There's a lot of stuff we can do with this. We're going to learn about when to put patients on oxygen and how much oxygen. And we'll learn about stuff like, what do you do when the patient's not breathing? Okay? So that's a case study. And we're going to be doing several major case studies throughout the semester. And typically students at the end of the semester, they say it was one of the favorite things that they've done throughout the semester. Okay, I'm looking forward to it.